Hey there, EcoZen Vibes community. Today we're talking about self-care on a budget. Self-care is important for our mental health and well-being, but it doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, there are plenty of things we can do to practice self-care without spending any money at all. Let's dive in. First up, take a digital detox. Spend a day away from your phone and social media. Instead, read a book, go for a walk, or spend time with loved ones. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Next, try doing a home workout. You don't need a gym membership to stay active. There are plenty of free workout videos on YouTube, and you can use household items like water bottles or a chair as weights. Third, take a relaxing bath. Add some Epsom salts, essential oils, or even some bubble bath to make it feel extra special. Fourth, spend some time in nature. Go for a hike, have a picnic in the park, or simply sit outside and enjoy the fresh air. Fifth, practice mindfulness. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Simply focus on your breath and bring your attention to the present moment. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Sixth, take a nap. Sometimes all we need is a little rest. Set an alarm for 20, 30 minutes and take a power nap to recharge. Seventh, declutter your space. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind. Spend some time tidying up your living space to create a more peaceful atmosphere. Eighth, write in a journal. Expressing your thoughts and feelings on paper can be incredibly therapeutic. Try writing for 10, 15 minutes each day. Ninth, practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for in your life. This can help to shift your focus to the positive. Finally, spend time with loved ones. Whether it's a game night, movie marathon, or just hanging out and chatting, spending time with people who love and support you can be incredibly nourishing for the soul. There you have it, folks. 10 ways to practice self-care without spending any money. Remember, taking care of ourselves is important, no matter our budget. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.